Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to verify your email on Peacock TV account. To verify your email on Peacock, first of all open up a web browser and then type in peacocktv.com in the URL box. Make sure that you're logged into your Peacock TV account as well. After you are signed in, go to the top right hand corner and click on your profile avatar. Now click on the account button at the top right corner from the Who's Watching page. You will then be able to see this Verify Now button if you haven't verified your email address yet. To help secure your account, you must verify your email address, so click on the Verify Now button once you see this pop up. A verification email will be sent to your email address. Open up a new tab and log into your email service provider's inbox that is associated with your Peacock TV account. Click open the email from Peacock as soon as you open up your email inbox and click on Verify Your Email. Soon after you do that, you will be able to complete your email verification for peacocktv.com account. So that is how you easily verify your email on Peacock. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.